right.
Okay, good morning, guys. So I didn't get to finish vlogging yesterday because it was just chaotic. But this morning we're using up the Easter candy to make some pancakes. So hubby already cut them up and put them in. And Destiny's working on the eggs. And I'm working on pancakes.
Didn't I ask you to put this joint in the garage?
And then we're gonna get ready to start on the deck. Yay!
We're going to do the.
We're gonna do the foundation today. Clear out the weeds. Put down some fabric, weed fabric, and just clear the area out and get it ready and prep.
Wait, you're going
to deck.
You're going to do the
But
deck.
before that, we need some nutrient in our body. So this is what we're doing. So we're at Lowe's, picking up stuff for our floating deck, and it's floating because it's low off the ground, and it's also detached from the house. So I have to get some fabric, landscaping fabric to put down, and then we're also picking out the deck blocks. I need 9 deck blocks for the size deck that we're building. And so we're gonna do just the foundation today, and then tomorrow I think we're gonna do the rim and the joist, and then next weekend we're gonna put on the deck boards, and then the following weekend we're gonna do the rails, so that it's not stuff. So got the deck blocks ready to go, and I need to find 3 more because I only had 6 out, but on their website they said that they had 9 available, so that's why we came here, but they only have 6, so we're waiting for someone to come and stuff. So I'll update you guys later. We're prepping the area where the deck is gonna be, so from that flag to this flag, that's 20, and then we're coming out 10 feet, so right here all the way across. Hubby's removing the trampoline, but it's staked down in the ground, so it's kind of hard because we get really bad winds, so that has to be staked down. I'm gonna remove the steps and then put down the landscape. He's gonna mow here, put down the landscape fabric, and then we're gonna go from there. Okay guys, so it's day 2. I didn't show much yesterday. So yesterday we basically put down the landscaping fabric. We also leveled off this side of the deck, so it's completely leveled from the house. This side required a 4x4 because of the slope of the house, how the backyard is graded. So today we are putting on the joist, and they're going every 16 on center. So recap, we're building a 20 by 10 deck, mainly because we don't need a permit for anything less than 200 square feet in our city. And yeah, but it's a decent, it's a decent size deck regardless. So it's from there, and it spanned to that side right there. So the rim joist is gonna go on that outer end, and then out there, and then we're using 2x8 by 10, and then we're splitting the joist on this double beam in the center, so that each joist have their own support underneath. I hope that makes sense. And let me tell you guys what we're using. So for the hurricane ties, let me show you guys what that is. And this is just to level off the blocks under here. So the hurricane ties, we had to put this backwards because we couldn't get back there, but we're using hurricane ties for these up top right here, and then also under theirs, and then these are gonna get joist hangers when we put on the rim joist out there. And we're using these just kind of nail the hot dip galvanized, for that, and then we're toenailing them with actual deck screws, and then we're gonna block these in. So we're gonna cut a piece of 2x8 and block these, so there's gonna be support in the middle to keep these from rolling over. And I think that's all I have to tell you guys right now. And this is a floating deck, so I'll catch up with you guys later.
Okay, guys, this is not a how to build a deck. This is just a DIY, meaning that we decided to build our own deck. The materials that I use are for the beam, I use 2x8 material. And then for the joist that sits on top of the beam, I also use 2x8. The deck is 20 by 10, so I use 2x8 by 10. I split the deck up into half, and I put 2x8 going one way. So each joist had somewhere to sit, so I doubled the beam, and I set the 2x8, the joist 16 on center, so that when we put the deck boards, they would have somewhere to lay. After that was completed, we put the deck boards on, so we had no material wasted because everything were by 10s. And then we use joist hangers, hurricane ties. We use all of those, Simpson strong ties, and all of that. We use all that stuff. We use the galvanized hot dip nails. We did everything by code, but we didn't need a permit. So I hope that makes sense for you guys.
Okay, guys, so I keep forgetting to update you guys on where we are in the deck. There's gonna be a 2x12 skirting on the outside of this to cover up all of this going on here. We did put the block in inside here and put the deck board. Half of the deck boards are already on. We got to right here, and it's looking really well. I left about a 1/2 inch gap right here so that in the wintertime when it freezes, the deck rise, and then in the spring it goes back down. So that's what that is for. And then the stairs are gonna go on that end so that I can utilize all of the deck. So this is what it's looking like right now, and I love it. Guys, I am the worst vlogger in the history of vlogging. Like, okay, so last time I left off, we were talking about putting the deck boards on. We're way past that. The deck boards are on. We did went ahead and put up this side railing, this side. I put the stairs on and working on the rail system right here. It was supposed to rain. They called for rain, but it didn't rain, so a whole day wasted. I did go ahead and cover up underneath, and also we're thinking of putting a privacy screen all the way up here so that, you know, we have privacy between us and our neighbors. I built a little gate system for underneath the deck so that hubby can access it. So it's like that. You just go under there, and yeah, built it. And what else do I have to tell you guys? The other rail is gonna go, and then it's gonna be the same rail that's over there. It's gonna go all the way across, and then a privacy screen right here. I think I'm gonna end it right now, this video right now, because I think I just want to get all this stuff. And the thing with vlogging and stuff, I've just been so out of touch with vlogging that it's just like I don't want to vlog anymore, and I don't want to share my life anymore. And I just wanted to get this video up because a lot of people were asking me if I was going to record or you know, document the process. And even though I didn't do a really good job with this in terms of showing you guys what I did and everything, this deck cost us no more than $1,200 to get to where we are right now. We have all the lumbers and everything to complete it. It's just been rain, and you know, I worked on this all by myself. The stairs, putting up the stairs, putting up the skirting all by myself. Everything was just executed by me, and my husband helped. He was amazing in getting this deck up. I am so proud of my accomplishment because I'm not a carpenter. I don't work with wood. I've never built anything in my life. So to get this was done because of what was said about us, you know, hanging out in our front yard and stuff. You know, people were saying that we're trashy and all that, and I was like, well, not really. I mean, if we had somewhere to hang out in our backyard, trust me, you guys would not see us for days. So this is why I built this. This is out of necessity why I did this. Because, you know, having 5 kids in private school, the funds is not there, but I had to make it be available because we needed somewhere as a family to escape from the criticism and, you know, people talking about us. And, you know, it's sad because we wanted to enjoy our home, but, you know, that's what it is. You're fine, but I am in love with it. It's beautiful. The next thing is the patio. I will show you guys. There's going to be a patio all the way out to here, and then the fireplace I'm working on right there, and there's going to be a trampoline over there, and there's going to be a walkway leading towards our driveway. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and yeah, I am so proud. To say I'm proud is an understatement. It's just
Rob trips and falls and breaks the deck.
yeah, Rob trips and falls and breaks the deck. But we are so proud of our accomplishment, and I don't know. I don't know what to tell you guys. I am amazed that I was able to build something of this quality. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh, we're going to stain it. We're going to stain it after next spring, after the boards get time to dry out. And right now it's dirty because the kids been walking, but we left no space in between because the boards were wet when we put them down. So this is our furniture. I was doing Maddie's hair, detangling Maddie's hair. But this is where we live these days. This and our fireplace over there. This is going to be an amazing entertainment area. And then eventually we're going to get privacy fronts all the way around. We're going to be so enclosed in our background and to ourselves that they're going to be like, do they still live there? It's just, you know what I mean? I was hoping when we moved in that we were going to make friends with the neighbors and we're going to be close and all of that, but didn't happen. And I'm so used to being by myself that it doesn't bother me, you know. And so far, the deck, the ground has been slowly defrosting. That the deck slowly went down a little bit from the last time I showed you guys, which is perfect, because it simply means that the way that I designed it around the door, and this is a detached deck, it's not attached to the house, so the house is still settling and everything, so let it do what it gotta do, and we still can go under here and jack this deck up if we need to, or level it, because it's completely separate from the house. So the house can do whatever it wants because we still have settling right around here. So whatever the house so choose to do, it can do, because our deck will always be by itself, you know what I mean? So I love it. I love it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.